that is what, syempre, shameless plug, that is what we can do for you. We can not only monitor your temperature and energy, we even have a way to lower the power consumption of air cons. Not the
Mhm.
centralized, but the usual split type aircon, yung mga tower type aircon. We can do it now. We have proven in several hospitals. We have proven in a big university. We have proven in a convenience store with a few thousand branches. We've done a lot of tests, and we would want to tell everyone that if you want, number one, you want to save on energy, we have devices for that. But then number two, naka-save ka na. Let's say we install the devices in your aircons. Happy ka na, nakatipid ka na. Ano gagawin ko sa susunod? Why don't you start complying to DOE? Because you need to comply with the DOE RA 11285 anyway. We can show you.